Would I help I never know it's your best. I know you're in me. And make it through, and I won't give up. The one who I wanna run away, but I can't take it. I don't understand. If I'm not made for you, then why does my heart tell me that? Then what do I dream with you? Is this the space for love? If you're with me, then what do I dream of you? As no one, I don't want to see tomorrow. I know that it's not you. But make it through, and I hope you are the more I share my life with. And I wish that you could be the one I'm right with. And we're praying for the one I you are my life. I wanna run away, but I can't take it. I don't understand. If I'm not made for you, then why does my heart tell me that I am? And when you say that I can and I breathe into my heart and pray for a chance to say today that I love you. Whether it's wrong, and now I can't be with you tonight. You know my heart is by your side. I don't wanna run away, but I can't take it. I don't understand. If I'm not made for you, then why does my heart tell me that I am? Just anyway that I can say you got.
Kung nga po pala, nagpapasalamat po ako sa sponsor namin po. Bali po sa kay Angelo Calconi po, sa hair and makeup po namin, at saka sa Jollibee po, at sa mga kaibigan ko po na nandiyan, nagpapasalamat po ako sa Lululet Junior.
Pinagalan mo ako ng trabaho, Noli. Thank you very much, Noli. Alam namin na nag-work ka sa, dito tayo, content. Alam namin na nag-work ka sa SM Appliance Center sa Molino. SM Molino, ang ka rin sa SM Bacoor.
Yes, ma'am. Rubin din po.
So, paano ka naman sinuportahan ng mga katrabaho mo?
Ayun po, bali, sa Molino lang po talaga ako nasuportahan ng snow. Kasi po, yung stage natin doon malapit sa Pasadi. Kumbaga, halimbawa, pag kumakanta po ako, nito-cheer po sila.
So, ano naman ang hindi mo makakalimutan na experience sa Bacoor?
Ay, ito po, nakakatawa po talaga kung tutusin. Kasi po, sa age ko po ng 23 years old po, ngayon lang po ako nakapunta sa yung challenge event dahil po sa Bacoor Idol na to. Yun, napakasaya po at nakakatuwa talaga dahil sa mga katulad namin na kabataan namin na nabibigyan ng atensyon. Yun po.
Thank you very much.
Thank you po.
Palakpakan po natin, Mr. Nolido. We have our fourth contender.